A significant internal rift has deepened within Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf as its Khyber Pakhtunkhwa President Junaid Akbar announced his decision to resign from his National Assembly seat and part ways with the party's parliamentary group. The move follows Akbar's sustained frustration over what he described as a deliberate effort to silence critical voices within the party's parliamentary proceedings. In a sharply worded message shared with the party's parliamentary WhatsApp group, Junaid Akbar declared that his patience had run out after being consistently denied the opportunity to speak in the National Assembly. He stated that he no longer recognizes the authority of the parliamentary leadership and accused the system of favoring a select few who are allowed to speak daily while others are sidelined. Is there no method, no humanity left? He questioned, suggesting that the party's culture of discipline had been misinterpreted as weakness. Junaid Akbar's discontent appears rooted in a broader sense of marginalization. He claimed to have been given the floor only once since Ramadan, including during the crucial budget session, and alleged that even his own colleagues were preventing him from speaking due to his blunt stance on issues like terrorism and ministerial accountability. So his decision follows reported disagreement during recent party meetings, including over the planning of the February 8 protest strike, where he expressed frustration that the leadership was trying to appease various stakeholders at the cost of decisive action. This development underscores the growing internal friction within PTI, which has seen multiple episodes of discord in recent months. Junaid Akbar's departure from the parliamentary bloc, though he remains a party member for now, highlights a critical challenge for PTI managing dissent and maintaining cohesion within its legislative wing at a time when unity is paramount. The party's ability to address these internal grievances may determine its effectiveness both inside and outside the parliament in the coming months.